Hey guys, it's Alicia, and today we're going to explore the salary and job description of a Java developer. Java is one of the world's most popular and long-standing programming languages. Statista reports that a third of all software developers used Java in 2022, a number that's expected to remain steady in the coming years. But what kind of salary can a Java developer expect? In this video, we'll explore the average Java developer salary, and we'll also cover the roles and responsibilities of Java developers, as well as expected career growth and best practices for securing the job, and the hefty paycheck that often follows. But before we get started, I want to let you know that there will be links to more resources in the video's description. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. Now, let's look at some job descriptions. Like most software development or engineering roles, Java developers are usually split into three main tiers: junior, middle, and senior developers. As seen in this graphic, some companies also hire trainee developers with little to no experience. While that may seem counterintuitive, it can be a great way to invest in new talent while ensuring their skill sets are well suited for the company's goals. However, trainee positions are few and far between, and rarely seen at large companies or tech giants. While not every company categorizes Java developers this way, it should give you a basic idea of what to expect. Junior or entry-level positions are typical for recent graduates, interns, or anyone looking to enter the field. Some companies may also refer to these as associate or assistant positions. While you don't necessarily need work experience here, most employers want proof that you've built something in Java and/or taken classes. While a university or college degree is the most promising way to get both, many passionate developers have earned their jobs by showcasing their work on a portfolio website. Junior developers work under close supervision to develop small, code-focused features. Though they usually don't need an awareness of the big picture, their experience as junior developers will allow them to take on bigger tasks in future roles. Mid-level or middle positions are typically for those with at least 3 to 5 years of experience in software development. Though previous experience in Java, such as a few years working as a junior Java developer, is ideal, it isn't always necessary. Of course, employers may want to see Java projects or equivalent experience, making a solid portfolio very useful once again. Candidates should also be able to discuss their general experience and knowledge of Java. On the job, mid-level developers work with significantly less supervision than junior developers and generally focus on writing individual parts of the big picture. Here, where a junior developer would have written individual lines of code or very simple algorithms, mid-level developers may write entire classes or methods. Mid-level developers are also expected to be more strategic team players and be able to devise innovative solutions independently. As the name suggests, senior positions are at the top of the development totem pole. Usually having no less than 5 years of experience, senior developers have a broad range of knowledge and are partly responsible for planning the big picture. As a result, senior developer candidates should not only have an extensive development background, but also skills in project management, particularly Agile, IT infrastructure, and other areas of the technology stack. On the job, senior developers rely on hard-earned intuition to connect business needs with technical solutions. Doing so not only requires a thorough technical understanding of the Java programming languages and their associated parts, but also soft skills and project management expertise. Another important role of a senior developer is mentoring trainees, interns, and junior developers. Whether they're managing a whole project or just an individual part, senior developers are the captains of their respective ships. Now for the burning question: how much can you expect to make as a Java developer? While Java developers enjoy a high average salary, the exact amount depends on experience, location, and key skills. There's the average base salary of Java developers in the United States as reported by major job boards. Java developer salary entry-level averages are no less than $41,000 in the US, with the average senior Java developer salary exceeding $100,000 with 10 plus years of experience. Most major companies also include benefits such as cash bonuses and a matched 401k, which may impact reported figures. Salary estimates can vary widely between different states and regions. Like many tech jobs, Java developer salaries are highest in states with major metropolitan hubs. From this map, US-based Java developers can expect the highest salaries of 15 to 25% above average in states such as Colorado, New York, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Georgia, and Washington. Java developers also earn a similar salary internationally. Here are the average salaries for various countries outside the US according to Web3 Jobs. Though Java developers are well compensated, how do their salaries stack up against other types of developers? Let's compare side by side with figures from Indeed.com, which reports an average full-stack Java developer salary of $106,000. As more companies start to use Java for data and enterprise applications, the following skills will be in higher demand and also command higher salaries. Advanced Java technologies. In addition to Java servlets and JSP knowledge of other advanced Java technologies such as Enterprise Java Beans and J2EE are incredibly high demand. Data systems. As applications become increasingly data-rich, companies seek developers with knowledge of database management systems, database design, data modeling, and so on. Enterprise system architecture. Understanding networking, servers, and other components of enterprise systems is an essential skill for senior developers and their big salaries. Agile project management. Understanding the Agile methodology is a big step for any developer. App development with libraries. Some experience with libraries can give your salary a boost. Deep knowledge of Java. Having a deep and thorough knowledge of Java allows you to develop better, faster, and more efficient systems, the very same that command big salaries and even bigger bonuses. Java developers enjoy a very high demand, and it's not too hard to find a good job with the right skills and experience. Like any job search, you'll want to update your resume to focus on your software experience, even if it's just from university or online courses. Aspiring Java developers should also maintain an updated portfolio of projects, ideally hosted on GitHub to demonstrate Git knowledge. With your application package in hand, it's time to hit the job boards. Though Dice is arguably the best job board for tech jobs, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed also aggregate most job listings. If you use LinkedIn, be sure to complete your profile to showcase your projects and tell prospective employers that you're looking for work. You can also find jobs by participating in developer communities on Stack Overflow, Reddit, and more. At Kinsta, we take hosting and performance to the next level. With our application hosting, you can run almost any app in a matter of minutes with full support for all your favorite languages and frameworks. And our database hosting allows for easy database creation with full control over every aspect of your project. Explore these features and more at kinsta.com/application-hosting. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.